Okay, this is going to be kind of a raw or unedited video. I'm not going to do much in this video. Like, I'm not going to remove all the background and everything. I'm going to leave it normal voice video. So I'll be making peanut brittle for you guys today. Remember, I told you guys that I almost finished the peanut I bought. I had to buy another peanut so that I will make this video because I don't want this video to pass this time.
That adding half cup of sugar. This is liquid glucose. So I'm adding one one spoon of it inside. Yeah, adding salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Adding cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon. It's optional. Adding baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon. You can use baking soda as well. So I'll be adding water, 1 tablespoon of water. Now I'm going to light up. So you guys know I didn't light up the first time, so make sure you are cooking this on a low to medium heat. So and this my space is so at this point it's frothing. I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine. So at this point I'm going to add in my peanuts. I'm adding 1 cup of peanuts. So I'm going to combine them. So you get your pan, you can mash it like this. So you get your pan, so you can see it. So transfer it into this pan. So you're not going to touch it. You allow it to cool down on its own. Don't touch it.
So immediately it has cooled down to this extent, like you don't want it to be to cool down completely. It will still be warm in your hand. That is when that if you want to cut it, that time it is still warm. Then you go ahead and cut it because once it hardens, you can't do anything to it again. So once it is warm, then you can go ahead and cut it. Then after cutting it to the shape or to the style you want, then you can allow it to harden very well. So now that it's warm, you can even shape it or give it any shape you want. You can twist it, you can do anything you want to do with it, pending that it has not hardened. So once it hardens, then you can take it off and you have this amazing peanut brittle. You can see how beautiful they are, and it's very, very crunchy and it's very crispy. I don't know how to put that, but that's that. Now, in case you want to use it to sip your garri, please don't add extra sugar. Yes, you can add milk, you can add any other thing you want to add, but don't add extra sugar to it. And once your peanut brittles are ready, they have completely cooled down, make sure you transfer into an airtight container and then cover it. You can use it anytime you want. Yes, you can use it anytime you want. So that's the simplest way to make peanut brittle. I hope you love this video.